Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I'm super happy you're here. We are going to do a little bit different of a video, and it's a little bit longer, but we're going to do an unboxing. This is the exclusive monthly bundle. So this is for August, and it's already done. She's already wrapped it up. So I'm going to show you guys July's. And we're going to get into it. And that was everything it came with. You can pause it right there to see everything. And so the first thing is this little card with a 25% off your next order. And then it's a mermaid theme, which I love. These are so pretty. And I do end up using those decals right there in this mani. And then we've got some more mermaid decals. This is Mermaid Cove. Oh, they're so pretty. I cannot wait to use those. And then we've got these, which is Sea Glass Mermaid. And I did use one of the mermaids from that. You guys will see that later on in the video. We've got this poolside, and then the other side that I flipped over really quick. We've got this little sample cuticle oil, which I'm going to tell you right now, it smells so good. I love it. Saltwater Mermaid, I believe is what it was called. And it's great. And it's just this cute little sample. So that comes in the box, and then you get a sticker, Good Vibes. Not sure where I'm going to put that yet, but I will find somewhere. And then we've got these cute little mermaids, so adorable, and some more mermaids, Mermaid Princess. So this is all mermaid, everything, and I love that. And so here is the dip samples. They come from Dip Queens. And the white one is a beautiful UV changer, and it turns to like this pinky, peachy, mauvey color. I should have swatched it, so I'm sorry for not doing that. The next one is Deep Sea, which I do use in today's mani. So you guys will get at least to see that a little bit. And you get this really cool scrunchie. And we got some really awesome chrome powder and these little cleanup brushes, which I do use. So you guys will get a little taste of that. And they worked really good. I'm going to have to find a whole bunch more. And then there was a couple eyeshadow brushes in the bag that I almost left in there, but luckily I found them. So I thought I was going to use that bottom left color, which I did. And then oh, and these cute little pearl thingies. I love. They're flat back, so they're perfect for nails. I was going to use them in today's mani, but to be honest, this took a little while, especially because I chromed with a color that I didn't like, and then I had to change that, so I did not. So we're going to chrome with no gel, and because we're chroming, it shows every little anything. So I buff these nails super, super, super smooth using that like super soft, smooth side. So we already dipped, obviously. I didn't leave that in the video because, as you can tell, this video is already a decent amount longer than normal. So after we smooth the nails as much as we possibly can, we're going to clean up any dust. I'm using my swipe solution and a scrub brush, and then we're going to use the Crazy Girl Sucks. I know there's other ways to chrome without gel, but this is my favorite way, and this is probably the only way I'll ever do it. So this is no gel. I'm allergic to gel, so I don't touch gel. And yeah, I made a mess in my cuticle. I was being sloppy, so sloppy, but it's super easy to clean up, and because it's not gel, I don't have to worry about it so much. It's just a glue, and I don't typically apply it so messy. I don't know. I was having an off day. We'll leave it at that. So we're going to put this on, and as you can see, it goes on like this white color, this streaky white color, and when it dries, it will be completely clear on the nail, and that's when you know that you are ready to go in and apply your chroming powder. So originally I had done that pink color on the bottom, and it didn't work out. So then I did a trial on the thumb to make sure that the silver was going to look good, and I really liked how it turned out. So then I'll do the pinky and the middle finger in the silver. And then I will do the ring finger and the pointer finger, like a triple ombre, basically. It'll be the silver and then the blue in the middle and then the pink at the bottom. Just kind of trying to give all those mermaid vibes. And then we are going to do the decals on top. So I'm going to stop talking for just a minute, and I will be back in very, very shortly.
Step Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season.
So as you can see, I'm using those little tools that came in the bundle to clean up around my cuticles. If you hear a rooster in the background, I'm sorry. He crows all day long. That's all he does. So those worked really awesome. So now we're cutting out our decals. I'm going to use these two over the triple ombre nails. And then I'm going to use this cute, it's so pretty. I love the colors, mermaid on the middle finger. Just to kind of, you know, have the mermaid with the mermaid scales. I love it. So I'm going to cut these out, and you want to cut as close to the image as you can, obviously without cutting the image off. You wouldn't want to do that. Sometimes I say the silliest things. Anyway, so we're going to cut around this, and then we're going to cut around the scale one. And then we're going to get into our decal application. So usually for this, I would use the Crazy Girl Stuck, at least on the full coverage decals. But because I already have a layer of it on, and if you don't know, it works really good as a peel base too. So I didn't want 2 layers of it because I was like, that might really increase my chance of losing this mani quicker than I want to. So I did use the Maniology Sticky Base Coat to apply all these, and it worked just fine. No issues, and yeah, it was great. So we're going to do the decal application. I believe on my point, I only show my pointer finger of the scales, I'm pretty sure. I think I do the other one off camera, but when I do that one, I will do like it close up. I barely sped these up. I had to speed them up just a little bit because otherwise, I don't know. I don't want the video to be so long that nobody wants to watch it. But I also want it slowed down enough that you guys can really understand what I'm doing and see it. So yeah, so I zoom in a little bit on the pointer finger and show you guys all the good stuff. And then I'll show you guys how I clean that one up. This one did not really need, I had to clip a little piece off of the mermaid tail, not the actual mermaid tail itself, but the plastic that was hanging off. But other than that, that one did not require any cleanup. So we're about to get into this one, and then you guys are going to see I have found a new way to clean up a part of the decal, not all of it, but around the cuticles is where I have the hardest time. Even when I'm using acetone, it just is tedious and it takes a long time, and I found something new that I absolutely love. So thank you to KMG Design Dips, because she sends me these little plastic cuticle stick thingies in all my packages. And just wait. Oh, see, there it is. So I'm using the end that's more like a cuticle pusher. I do not use this as a cuticle pusher. I sometimes will use it to do some cleanup around my cuticles, but that's it. And I'm pretty much just pressing down around the decal, and it's just cutting it off right there. So it's not tearing anything. It's perfect. I don't even know what made me try this. I was just like, I wonder if that works. And yeah, that works. It works really, really good. So I highly suggest you get some of these and try them out. I'm going to have to find a whole pack of them somewhere, but I do get them in my monthly packages from KMG. So yeah, I love these things. They're they're fantastic for cleaning up because no acetone required, which is awesome. So once I get around the free edge and the cuticle, then I will go in with my cuticle, or my cuticle, well, maybe they're cuticle scissors. I don't really know. They're nail scissors. And I will clean up a lot of the rest. And then I will go into with my acetone and a brush just to get anything that's hanging off the underside and underneath the nail. Whew, long-winded. I will be back in just a couple of minutes.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and
that was super quick. That cuticle stick makes cleanup so easy. So now we are going to go in with the smudge-free top coat, and this is really important. So I think you could see my thumb, or you will be able to see. Hopefully I show it. I'm sorry if I don't, but on my thumb I tried to go in with dip base and clear dip, and that did not work. It's definitely wiped off the majority of the chrome. So smudge free top coat is essential for doing chrome without gel. Like it's, there may be another way and I just don't know it, and that's okay. I don't know everything. I think I do sometimes, but I really don't. So the smudge free top coat, I'm going to let that dry for 5 minutes, and then we will go in and clear cap. And that all worked out beautifully. I do have a regret, and I will explain that more when we get to it, but we are going to zoom right through this because, you know, editing. So timer 5 minutes, and then I did redo my thumb off camera just to re-chrome it. So I've already clear capped my pinky, ring, and middle. We're just going to clear cap the pointer. And that's just basically because you guys don't need to see the same thing over and over again. Again, trying to shorten up the video a little bit. And yeah, so the clear cap, I feel like, is important, but you don't have to do it. So what I should have done, so I'll get there in a second. I really get ahead of myself so badly. So then we activate, and then I give them a light buff. Like when I say a light buff, I mean a super light buff. And I do take my file and I just kind of clean up the underneath of the sidewalls and the underneath of the tip, the free edge from the decal. There wasn't a whole lot there, but there, you know, sometimes there's just a little bits and pieces here and there that decided not to come off with the acetone. So I cleaned them up a little bit, cleaned up my shape a tiny bit. And now we're going to get into top coat. This is where, and this was my first time trying this. So, you know, sometimes learning curve, I thought it would work out. And I don't really know why it didn't. I mean, actually, it did technically work out fine because the pictures look good. The top coat was shiny. There's just something about it that I don't like very much. And what I would recommend doing, and what I've done in the past when I chromed using the same method, is I use a nail polish top coat. I have one I love. It's Vinyl Luxe. It will be linked as, no, it won't be linked. Why would I link it? If you go back and you look at some of my earlier videos, that's the only top coat I ever used, was the nail polish top coat Vinyl Luxe. It's really awesome. You can get it on Amazon. But I chose to go the dip top coat route, and I don't know. It was just, I don't know. I don't know what it was. I didn't, you know, actually it looked really good on all the nails, except it did something to my middle finger. And I didn't really like the look of it. Whatever. It was fine. I just being overly picky, and whenever I've done it with the nail polish, it's looked really good. Whew. Okay. We are super, super close to being done. I just want to say that, okay, I don't know what I want to say, apparently. Thank you so much for coming and watching, supporting my channel. If you're subscribed, thank you. You rock. If you're not, I would love it if you did. I post twice a week. I do a lot of decals. I do a lot of nail art. I do a lot of, not drawing nail art, just for the record. Don't get excited. I'm not good at that. I do want to use some acrylic paint soon, again, and I do a lot of stamping. And I do a lot of just dip manis. So if you like this kind of content, stick around, enjoy, and be part of this little journey with me. And it would help me so much. Like, I don't know if you guys understand the way YouTube works because they're very mean sometimes. But if you just give this video a like, that would help me so much. It helps recommend me to other people searching for this kind of content. Anyway, that's my spiel. I'm done. We're going to cuticle oil. There is some close-up pictures coming up at the end, so stick around for that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Have a beautiful day.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison.